Namaste Javins, myself JB and Dr. Barkha Kurana. Today we'll be discussing about psychoanalytical theory, where we had already discussed about structure of personality and levels of consciousness or mind. Now the third part in this is psychosexual stages of development. Sigmund Freud described how personality developed over the course of childhood. Freud believed that personality developed through a series of childhood stages in which the pleasure-seeking energies of it become focused on certain erogenous areas. This psychosexual energy or libido was described as driving force behind the behavior. So first here is oral state, which is present from birth to 1 year. Feeding and contact with mother will help to make the mouth the focus of pleasure during first year. The infant derives pleasure from oral stimulation through activities such as sucking and tasting. Because the infant is entirely dependent on the caretaker, he develops a sense of trust and comfort through this oral stimulation. The primary conflict at this stage is the weaning process. The child must become less dependent upon caretakers. If fixation occurs at this stage, Freud believed the individual would have issues with dependency or aggression. And this oral fixation can result in problems with drinking, eating, smoking, or nail biting. Second is the anal stage, which is between 1 to 3 years. It occurs when parents are training the child in toileting. Freud believed that the primary focus of libido was controlling bladder and bowel movements. The major conflict at this stage is toilet training, where the child has to learn to control his or her bodily needs. Developing this control leads to sense of independence. Freud believed that positive experiences during this stage served as the basis for people to become competent, productive, and creative adults. A person fixated at this stage may be abnormally concerned with cleanliness or orderliness. Third is the phallic stage, which is between 3 to 6 years of age. At this age, the children begin to discover the differences between males and females. The child develops sexual feelings toward parent of opposite sex. Oedipus complex describes this feeling of wanting to possess the mother and replace the father. The boys try to identify themselves as father and take their father's behavior pattern, and thus boys develop superego. In Electra complex, the girls identify with mother and develop superego. Next is the latent period between 6 to 12 years. The libido interests are suppressed till puberty. The ego and superego contribute to this period of calm. The stage begins around the time that children enter into school and become more concerned with hobbies, peer relationships, and other interests. This stage is important in development of social and communication skills and self-confidence. Next, the genital period. During puberty, the individual develops a strong sexual interest in opposite sex. This stage begins during puberty but lasts throughout the age and rest of the person's life. Young people begin experiencing romantic infatuation. The goal of this stage is to establish a balance between the various areas of life. But this psychoanalytical theory had some disadvantages also, like Freud theory is based upon case studies and not the research. Study was a collection of adult patients and not of children. Libido is impossible to measure, and there were no proofs that current behavior was caused specifically by childhood experience. So this is all in psychoanalytical theory. I hope you understood this session, and if you have any doubts, you can comment in the box. This session was powered by Digital 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Thank you.